This is your test for missing addends. Please write your name at the top and also look at the date on the board and write the date down for today. Remember, you can always pause this video as you're writing down your answers, and you can rewind to rewatch for the directions. In the first section, it says circle the sentences that are true. You have 5 addition sentences to look at. You need to make sure that they are true. If they are true and they make sense, you're going to circle them. If they are not true, you're going to cross them off. Go ahead and take some time to do that now for all 5 of those addition sentences. For our next section, it says find the missing addend. I've given you 6 addition sentences with 1 number missing. One of the numbers missing is an addend, which means the beginning number that you add together is missing. Go ahead and find out what the missing number is and write them on the line. For our next section, it says, are the following numbers odd or even? Prove with a picture. So I have the numbers 15, 12, and 6. In the spaces next to the number, you're going to draw me a number and prove to me if it's even or odd. Remember what your teacher taught you about making pairs. Once you have proven if it's even or odd, you're going to circle the word even or odd based on your picture. So you're going to do that for 15 here, the number 12 here, and the number 6 there. And our last section, it says write an equation and solve for the array using addition. So I have rows and columns here with dollar signs. You're going to use addition to make me an equation and then solve for how many dollar signs there are. Remember, you have to write me a repeated addition equation here on the line as well as the answer. Once you're done, please turn it in.